Watercolour is the medium for capturing light, mood and atmosphere. Its translucent and mysterious qualities lend themselves to romanticism and timelessness. I'd like to share with you my approach, showing you how to manipulate watercolour materials for beautiful atmospheric effects. My aim is to teach you how to achieve a greater level of mastery with watercolour and achieve deeper, richer paintings. I'm going to begin by washing in a sky. In essence, a graduated wash from the top of the painting to the horizon line. I spend a little time mixing pigment. I want to achieve a backdrop for the entire painting. By establishing the right hue, that underpinning colour will give a greater sense of unity to the finished painting. So you can see I mess around adding the right mix of water and a combination of the three primary hues. In this case, French ultramarine, raw sienna and burnt sienna. I begin at the top of the paper, dragging across the wash of grey in a horizontal motion. I try to use my whole arm, not my wrist. You can see that I add a little water to my original mix. I'm adjusting the tonal values as I go. When I'm happy with the tone, I brush in quickly from left to right, right to left. At times I feel like a conductor conducting a watercolour musical. Adding a little more raw sienna to the grey mix to warm it up, I bring it down over the bridge. While the paint is still damp, I work wet into wet, using my fingertips to blend cerulean blue along the horizon. I blend and blur to create an atmospheric mist. This next wet into wet method takes a lot of courage. Before you take the plunge and create atmospheric reflections, you need to touch in clean water. The water will allow the pigments to flow. Dropping in strong, rich colour means throwing caution to the wind. You have to be brave and bold. Trust your judgment. You have to let the paint win. Let gravity do the work. Then stand back and watch your painting create itself.